guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this customizable wallpaper on CapCut PC. So select the color that you want like for the background. I'm also going to select the 9x16 one. I'm just going to add like another color on top. Go to mask, select heart, and create like a heart. Then you're going to want to feather it out just a little bit, and you're going to want to keep adding colors like on top, like maybe this yellow one, and like adjust it and like feather it out a little bit so it blends in with the other heart. And then like maybe you want the yellow to be like a small portion of the image. You can do that. You can add in the same color again to it and then add that in and like feather that out. Just be creative with the hearts. Again, you can select any color you want for it. Just keep stacking them on like that. And yeah, that is pretty much it really. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. I also forgot to mention, if you want to export it as an image, just like this, export still frame and export it. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!